Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed, liked and shared. I just created this look for yourselves with some glitter eyeliner. I was actually going to try to be a simple look today, but then I got a bit excited. And I've kind of elongated it a little bit so that for people that don't want just to have rounded eyes. So I've kind of made it stretched out a little bit to the end of my eyebrows. But here's the final look and I hope you like it.